So you're a technician, right? Or enthusiastic hobbyist, and you work on a fair number of laptops, devices, but particularly laptops. Now, there are a number of tools readily available, you just have to order them, and I'd like to showcase today a couple of tools that I deem invaluable for any technician that works on computers. And I'll switch it to the overhead and I'll show you. I've been using, ever since Paul mentioned it to me a couple of years ago, about a tool that he used, a little red PCB, aptly named Chipmunk. Tiny little thing. It's this one. I went ahead and bought this one because I saw a use for it, and I have to say it's the best investment I've ever made or done for a tool. They're not, by my standards, they're not expensive at all, and you have to imagine developing these and producing them, and yeah, things cost money, and you don't get things for free, and you have to pay for someone to do stuff for you. You can develop it yourself. Yes, that's one option. Takes time. Time is money. Or you can buy something that someone else has developed. This Chipmunk, this is the USB-A version, A4616. It's made by CMIZapper, and it's CMIZapper. Sorry about that. Forgot I zoomed in. Chipmunk USB tester A4616. It's a very simple tool. You plug it into the USB-A port on a computer if it has the USB-A, and it gives you these holes here, which are 4mm banana jack compatible. You can just stick it in and you have a solid ground, just alligator clip on. And this little device, it gives you a lot of information just from this PCB. There are 3 LEDs. When you try and power on the device, this will tell you if you have power. It'll work. You'll see because 3 of the there's 6 diodes, but there's just 3 of them, because you can see 3 are this way, and then so you can see them through the board. And it will tell you if you have 5 volt on the USB port. It will tell you it's powered, and if you have USB communication between the CPU and PCH, you will get a green LED in the middle for USB data. Now, just by plugging this in, powering on the device, you can see if there's PCH activity, and because if this one doesn't show you that there's USB activity, tread carefully with the device. There might be some significant errors that you need to sort. I reached out to Harold, asked him about maybe doing a little something together, and Harold is a amazing guy, and I'll show you. Wrong way. I just got this in the mail today. I thought I was receiving because this is a USB-A testing power. I'll show you the website of CMIZapper, Harold, in just a bit, but he also has, amongst a plethora of tools, all incredibly invaluable. But the HDMI tester, these are the 2 that I mainly need from his line. USB tester and HDMI tester. Both, it'll show you if it's activity on the HDMI with data lines. It'll show you EDID, power, everything you need just by plugging it in and powering it on. So you can get a lot of information by not doing anything but plugging in something. But Harold included a surprise for me. I didn't know this. I even got the USB-C tester. So now I have them all three. Thank you, Harold. Means the world to me. I did not expect that. But okay, so I'm just gonna switch over to the website of Harold and we'll continue there. So the website, everything is linked down in the description as always. It's CMIZapper.com, and under products you can see Harold has a lot of products, and it's mainly geared towards Mac, but also a lot of tools that, like the USB tester and HDMI tester, incredibly invaluable for a technician. But a lot of Apple related tools as well. But so yeah, he has, I seriously, if you do work on, even if it's just occasionally, it's well worth investing in his. And I have a special surprise in just the end. So he has a lot of different tools, and you can see like the HDMI tester that we've been talking about, and the USB tester. Now also check out Paul Daniels. Paul is the one who told me about the chipmunk, and yeah, so watch his video on using the the USB tester. Paul is like the GOAT ever, not a goat, but greatest of all time, my opinion, my personal opinion. He one-ups, just like his title is, one-ups Rossmann's fan spin. My personal opinion, Paul Daniels 10-ups Louis Rossmann when it comes to MacBook repairs. 10-ups, not just 1-ups, 10-ups. Rossmann, yes, when he was like doing board repair himself, he's a really knowledgeable guy, and he can fix just about anything. Paul is better, my opinion. So just to go into the HDMI tester, the HDMI tester alone is €56. Let's go into the USB-C. For the USB tester, you can get the first version for €39, 4616, which is the one I got here, this little USB-A, €49, or you can get the USB-C for 49 if you buy one, €88 if you buy two, and then more. But let's talk about the HDMI tester. A lot of console repairs these days, and consoles, PS3, PS4, PS5, HDMI. PS5's like HDMI tester would save so much trouble when just diagnosing if there's HDMI trouble with this little device. So for everyone who does console repair, get that. Really do get that. You can see a test video over here. Now I'm not going to go into a lot of details and bore you guys with this. I'm just going to say that these tools, they pay for themselves in no time at all. No time at all. And here's the little surprise. Harold was kind enough to offer a package deal to the viewers on my channel. If you want, you can click the link down below. It's just a link. I'll say the package deal for CMIZapper. The URL is you can see in the picture there, and click the link below. Now you get both the HDMI tester and the 4616 USB-A. Package deal, €55. That's €1 cheaper than just buying the HDMI tester alone. How about that? And you get them both for $55, shipping included. So I want to say thank you to Harold for, first of all, designing these tools. I mean, these are the best tool to have as a technician. And I want to say thank you to Harold for giving me this opportunity to give you guys a great deal for some tools that I genuinely think every technician should have. And like I said, you don't, if you, like the package deal comes with the 4616, and this one, you know, it's a USB-C, and yes, the USB-C, you can use the other way around with a USB-C to USB-A adapter, but I've been using it for two or something years now, 2-3 years since I bought mine. I've been using it like this for MacBooks and whatever, and it works just fine. And so getting these two, they pay for themselves just for peace of mind when you're working on something. So to close up, I just want to say, first of all, thank you to Harold for making this deal for me and for sending me the extra bonus. I didn't know that. And I want to say thank you, of course, to Paul Daniels for telling me about this years ago when, yeah. And to my viewers, these two tools, invaluable. So I highly recommend taking advantage of the package deal. Now, I want to say something also. I don't make anything of these from this deal. I want to help Harold because I genuinely believe in his tools, and why can't I give you, my viewers, a better deal? So I don't make anything, but then again, I'm a weird guy. I don't know a lot of people kind of like me. I don't care about money. Money doesn't motivate me. I don't know why. I'm more about helping people. Money, yeah, okay. As long as I can pay my mortgage, and I'm okay with that. I'm not after being a millionaire or a billionaire or even 100,000ist, whatever. I'm not motivated by money, as I said. So this is just because I believe in the tool, and I genuinely want to help both you as a viewer get better tools, and I want to help Harold because he's a great guy. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope I'll see you around. Bye.